busy day. Too much going on. I still have practice, and I didn't even start my homework. My soccer team is depending on me.
Caius, no need to stress. We have just the thing for you.
How did I get here?
Caius, I know how it feels to have the world bearing over you.
I needed a safe place to gather my thoughts.
How will a quiet place calm me?
Follow me. We'll show you Lego Workshop. Welcome to Lego Workshop, a relaxing place where you can build with Legos. Or you can also build a buddy bot or build with buddy bots.
Hi, Caius. Nice to meet you.
Whoa, it talks.
Oh, you don't want it to talk? Just turn him off. If you want to interact with him, turn his voice on. It's that easy.
This is a quiet place where you can relax and build Legos. You can also build Legos with buddy bots.
Lego Workshop is designed especially for you by us, Raja and Keanu.
Enjoy!
My name is Raja,
My name is Keanu.
and we are
Lego Workshop.
Lego Workshop is a service where we provide a quiet space where people can relax and build Legos.
They can also play with buddy bot.
Customers can choose to interact with other people with BuddyBot, or they can choose to build Lego on their own.
1 hour of staying here is $10 per person.
Wow, I feel much more relaxed and focused. Thanks, BuddyBot, for being my best friend.